Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing fine. If you're walking in here for the first time and thinking who the hell is speaking here, hey, I'm Danesh Shetty. I do informative videos about studying abroad. If that's what you're interested in, do consider subscribing, hit the bell notification and enjoy my contents. So today's video, as you may know from the title, is all about tips and tricks to ace your visa interview. So I have written down all the tips here. So this is a personal opinion from a personal experienced person, that is Miss Danesh Shetty. If you're interested in knowing her opinion, do watch the end of the video. And at the end of the video, and at the end, I'll be giving one pro tip on how to manage things when the questions asked by visa officer gets out of hand, when you don't understand or you don't know how to answer the question. So stay tuned, and with this, let me just start with the video. Yeah, so tell me, where are you planning to go exactly? Like on a dinner date or on movies? Because where the hell are you thinking you're going without any documents? Guys, you are going for your biometrics, so you need your documents. Without the document, you can't even enter the building. So don't even think about getting into the building. Getting your visa is way behind. So do carry your documents, guys. It is very important. Do carry each and every document. If you don't know what are the documents you need to carry for your visa interview process and your biometrics, I have done a separate video on that. Go and watch it. I will provide it in the I button above. By the way, if you have not yet watched my visa experience video, I will also provide it in the description below. Do go and watch it, guys. So yeah, that was my first tip. Please carry all of your documents while going for your visa interview, and make sure that you have all the documents before in hand, so that you don't miss out on anything when they ask for it. So now let's go to next tip, that is tip number 2. Put on your best outfit that you have, guys. By best outfit I mean formals, because formal enhances you as a person. Any person, boys or girls, who put formal will look extra attractive, extra bold and extra confident when you put your formals. So I would strongly suggest you to put on your formals. However, you can put your casual provided you're looking decent and put together. But do remember that the way you dress gives 50% opinion about you as a person to the visa officer, because first look is what says it all. So do make it a point to look your best. I would suggest you to put your formals, because it would give you that feel of you going to a visa interview in first place, and in second place it would give you extra confident as a person and lift your personality up even when other person looks at you. So I would suggest you to put on your formals. You can put on your casuals, but as I said, please try to look decent and put together. Yeah. So let's come to the third point. So the third point is maintain that eye contact. So not this eye contact, this is a threatening eye contact, not this eye contact where you tell, like, basically, भैया मुझे वीज़ा दे दो वरना मैं तुम्हें उठा लूँगी, तेरा नाम और निशान नहीं रहेगा. Not that eye contact. Maintain a professional eye contact. Keep your face subtle. This is how you have to speak to them when you give all your answers. It shows that you are bold, you know about your course well, you know about yourself well, and it also shows that you are a firm person. It gives many good vibes from you when you create a good eye contact with your visa officer. So do make it a point to maintain eye contact and speak boldly. So keep a good body posture, and also don't give that creepy look to the visa officer or anyone around you. Let me explain you in detail. First of all, as you know, in any professional training, the first thing that they tell you while attending a visa interview or any interview for that matter is have a proper body language and have a proper body posture. It is very important. So stand straight and give a good body posture and a body language. And second point that I've included in this point, merged in this point, is that don't give out creepy looks Don't look at people like you're standing for your you're standing in the line for your visa interview when other persons are getting interviewed, or when someone is standing there, you're just bored, so you'll be like looking at that person from down to up, looking at his attire, looking at the visa officer, then staring at him, and looking at others, trying to speak with the person behind you. Don't do that creepy things in the visa office. Please be professional. Please don't do all that. Mind your own business. Stop looking here and there aimlessly, is what I would like to tell. And please take my opinion on that, because it gives a very bad vibe when you do that in a professional place like a visa office. Please take my opinion on that. Now let's go to next point. So the very next point is inhale, exhale. So I know you're standing there and listening to the visa officer asking questions, seeing students being rejected in front of you can be a lot stressful and roller coaster of emotions. I can understand you, but trust me guys, when I say the creepy, it doesn't mean creepy like seriously. It means that I know that you're nervous, you want to speak with the other person behind you, look at the other person, observe them, but what I'm just telling is don't do it very obviously. Just mind your own business and try to listen if you want, but don't do it straight away. And inhale, exhale when you are utterly nervous. Just close your eyes, or just look down and take a deep breath and then exhale. Take a deep breath and then exhale. Calm yourself and try to listen to what they are speaking without giving that creepy look. This will absolutely work. I would suggest you this 100%. This is what worked for me in that situation, in that proper situation. You will understand what I'm telling. So do keep that in mind. So guys, this tip is very important. Please be attentive. If you are watching this video till now, it means you are an attentive person and I appreciate you. But please be attentive during the visa day, because it's very important to be attentive. As you know, the people who are asking you questions in the visa interview are foreigners, and they have a different accent and they may be a little fast than usual. In case you don't understand them and you tell them to repeat the answer, it may create a bad impression. Not once, if you do it again, then it may create a bad impression for them. So do make it a point, because you're going there to study, and if you're going there to study, you need to understand their way of speaking. So it's really important. I know you're going through a lot of emotions, you're very nervous. So that's what I told. Please inhale and exhale and try to calm yourself. Try to be bold, and please give your 100% concentration on what the visa officer is telling, because you wouldn't want to ask him to repeat what he told again and again. Yeah, so now let's just move to the next point. Guys, please don't miss out on this. Know your program well. This is very important. You need to understand your program very well before going for your visa interview, because they are literally gonna shoot you with lot of questions about your program, especially during this COVID situation, because there are very less number of slots and many people applying for visa. So they will specifically ask about your program. If you have not yet watched my visa experience video, I have told about the questions they asked me, and most of the questions were about my program. So I would suggest you to know your program well, know the subjects in the program, at least 2 to 3 subjects, and know your major which you are taking there after you go to that university. And also know the professor, like take any one subject as your interest, and make a note of any one professor who is doing research on that subject. It is very important to have all these knowledges, and also know why you are taking up this program, and what is your future goals, what will you work there after you get a job, and what will the person in that role actually do. This is very important, you guys. Please know your program well before going to the visa interview. It is very important. So guys, this is very important. In whatever it is, you can't forget your manners, because it doesn't degrade you as a person, it also degrades our country as well. Because After all, they will tell that you are an Indian. So guys, please maintain your manners. As soon as you go there, greet them, tell them hello sir, good morning, how are you doing, and even if they reply or not, that doesn't matter. You told that it's very important. Please maintain manners and be respectful to them, and obviously they will give that respect back to you. So that was it. And now comes the pro tip, which you have been waiting and watching this whole video till now for. So that pro tip is, fake it till you make it. See guys, if there is any question that you don't know, if they ask some question and you don't know the answer for this question, most probably you will be knowing answer for all the question except when it comes for, program. So in case you don't know anything specifically, if they ask something and you don't know, just tell what you know about that program or whatever concept inside that program you know. Just tell anything randomly but confidently. This will 100% help you. As I said before, maintain a good eye contact and speak boldly. Speak as if it is a correct answer and speak in the most technical way as possible, and fake it in a very nice way. They are not gonna notice, because they are not obviously not gonna know each and every program of every person personally. They are just going to test the way you're speaking, and the way you speak is what they will think. The way you speak will create the type of image in them. So if you are telling the wrong answer in the right way, it's going to create a good impression. If you don't the answer, I would not suggest this, but in worst case, I am telling this, anyone will not tell you, but I am telling this, in worst case you have prepared everything and you go blank, please fake it. Don't get numb and don't stand there without answering anything and doing blah 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 blah. Please answer whatever you know about that subject, and in a confident manner. This will surely help you. Don't worry about giving a wrong answer, but please give the answer and give it in a right way. So yeah, that was it you guys. I hope this video helped you a lot. I wanted to help you a lot, so that's why I made this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and do go and watch my visa experience video and the documents that you need to carry for your visa process. That's very important. I have received so many DMs in my Instagram. I'm so happy that you guys are giving me so much love and support. I am really grateful for that. So thank you so much guys. I would really like to acknowledge all your love and support towards my channel and towards me. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much, and keep supporting. Do subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and I will provide my Instagram handle in the description below. Do go and follow. Okay, bye.